Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites because the fingerprint enrollment writes to secure hardware. First, make sure battery is above 20% and remove any screen protector. Next, open settings, then passwords and security, then fingerprint ID. You'll be prompted to set a screen lock if you haven't. Do that now. Once done, tap Add Fingerprint and place your finger on the sensor. Don't rush. Press and lift with small adjustments. This trains multiple parts of the pad for reliable recognition, which reduces false rejects later. Continue by focusing on how and why to capture varied fingerprint data. You place the same finger at different angles, center, left, right, and a slight roll, so the sensor learns more contact patterns. Follow the on-screen progress bar. When it asks for repositioning, change pressure and tilt slightly. Make sure you register at least one alternate finger, like the thumb and index. Once the progress reaches completion, name the fingerprint if prompted, because clear labels help you manage multiple entries and avoid accidental deletions. Finish by enabling fingerprint uses and verifying reliability. You go back to fingerprint settings and toggle options for unlocking, payments, and app lock. Enable only what you need. Then lock the phone and test unlock several times to ensure smooth recognition. If it fails often, delete and re-register the fingerprint, capturing more edge samples. If problems persist, clean the sensor and your finger, check for screen protector issues, and update MIUI. These steps resolve most hardware or software conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.